guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to make the easiest vegan French toast you have ever made in your life, and it's going to be holiday themed. It is an eggnog, quote, well, because vegan eggnog, French toast. Let's just jump right into it. Easiest French toast you'll ever make. So what I want to do is I want to add some extra cinnamon to mine, and I'm going to start by putting it in the bottom. So I'm just going to, I don't know, guess. Like, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to do that. You could do nutmeg, you could do whatever. And then I'm going to take this vegan nog, right? And I'm going to put that in there. Oh, look at how thick that is, girl. Yes. And then I'm just gonna mix that cinnamon in there. I put it in the bottom first to kind of help it disperse a little bit better than just flicking it on top. You can use whatever bread you like. I just happen to have found that this Italian bread at my local grocery store's bakery happens to accidentally be vegan, but I wanted, and I got it because I wanted the real thick slices of a French toast. Like, I wanted a hearty motherfucking French toast. You feel me? But you can use any bread your heart desires. We've got our pan preheated to on about medium on the stove, and I'm just gonna give it a quick little spritzy spritz. And then we're gonna take our eggnog and cinnamon, and I'm just gonna, just like a regular French toast, pop this baby on in there, get it nice and coated. Oh shit, this is gonna be so fucking good. Okay, do a little shake, put it down. And in keeping with our theme, I'm gonna make a little eggnog icing glaze to go over top. So again, I'm gonna pull out my nog. I've got about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar in here. I'm just gonna add a little bit and stir it up and make sure it's the right thickness. You guys, look at our vegan French toast. Look at that. Look at it. You hear that? Oh girl, hold on, let me take a sip of this eggnog real quick. Mmm. That's delightful. I quite like that. Okay. Now, the French toast. Oh, shit. Look at that. Mmm. Okay. Game changer. What is this video? Like 30 seconds? A super easy full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to go to my PayPal to help donate to support this channel for some super cool ideas, more holiday recipes. Don't forget to check out my bakery before that closes after the holidays, and I'll have an e-cookbook for you guys. I guess that's all I have to say. I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.